So we are going to talk today about colour, my absolute favourite thing in art. These three here are the primary colours. So we've got a red, blue and yellow. These can be replaced with any blues and yellows and reds, but we're just going to play with the ones I've got here. I've got a cadmium red, a manganese blue hue and a Hansa yellow, opaque. These are Golden brand. They're a beautiful fluid acrylic. I do love them, but you can use any paints that you've got at home. So we'll pop down some red, and there's our blue and our yellow. So we've got a nice little splodge of each. So primary colours. So primary colours are colours that you can't make. So these cannot be made out of any other colours, and all colours that we will make are going to come from these three hues here. So let's start with our secondaries. So we've got our primaries, and here we go. We're going to jump in and do secondaries. So we will start with the one in the middle of red and yellow, which will be orange. So a nice dab of yellow, little bit of red in there. We've got a beautiful orange there, lovely secondary orange. Just going to wash my brush. Beautiful. So we've got red, yellow, orange. Beautiful, easy. So now we will throw some yellow in here. We'll wash my brush in between, and just a little bit of blue, and we're going to end up with our gorgeous green. So that's a nice sort of mid-green. I just want to make a little bit more of these colours, just so that I can show you the tertiaries, which will be the colours in between our primaries and secondaries. So there's a lovely green. The next one, red and blue, will make purple. So in we jump with a bunch of blue. I'll try and remember to wash my brush out in between so I'm not contaminating. A little bit of red, probably less red than blue. That gets you a nicer purple. And there's our purple. Beautiful. While I've got that purple on the brush, I'm just going to throw a dab in the middle. And what we're going to do now is mix the purple and the red, which will end up with a purpley red. There we go. And it will be a tertiary colour. It's right in the middle. So that's looking nice. And then I will scoop up a bit more of my purple. And sorry about the water noise, but I'm just washing my brush in between. And then we'll add it to some blue. And we've got a lovely purpley blue going on there. We might just keep coming around the circle. So grabbing a chunk of our green and adding some blue. Oops, I need a bit more green than that. Hopefully I've made enough colour there. And you end up with a lovely sort of little bit more blue. Almost an aquary, tealy, starting to go down those roads. Nice aquary green. Greeny blue, and I'm going to run out of green here, so I'm just going to mix up a touch more, just so we don't run out. There we go, beautiful. And again, while I've got it on my brush, I'll dab it in the middle for our tertiary, and grab some yellow, and we'll make a nice limey green. So you can already see, just with the three primaries, we are just making so many colours. We haven't even started. This is just the beginning. A little bit of our yellow. Right, let's dive into our orange. And we can make a beautiful light orange, nice citrusy kind of colour in there. That's looking pretty nice. And then diving back into our orange with a little bit of red. So then we'll get a darker orange on that side. So that's the absolute basics which is super fun, and as you can see, super easy, and you don't need a lot of colours to make masses of colours. So what have we got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 colours out of 3 already, without even thinking about it too hard. So primary, 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 in the middle, secondaries, and then in the middle of our primary and our secondary, we have got a tertiary. I hope you enjoyed that, and when you're ready, you can jump into the next chapter.